Get one more. Oh. Hello, and welcome back to Stinkleberry Farmer. I'm in the middle of Iowa, and not just in the middle of Iowa. I am in the geographical center of Iowa, which is about between me and those buildings over there. I'm not going to trespass onto these farmlands here, but it is basically straight ahead here. This is the center of Iowa. Made it! But today, I'm heading southeast that way a ways for a unique camping experience. I've got reservations for a yurt on a goat farm. A yurt on a goat farm tonight is where I'm going to be camping. Alright, got a nice lonely dirt road down to go to here. I think I'm getting close. This looks like the place. Oh, there's horses. Well, I have arrived. I hear geese and goats, and I had to come through this little section here, which was kind of... I made it though. And up there's the yurt. Go check it out, and we're gonna check this place out. Gotta carry my stuff up there, but that's not as bad as a woods full of snow. This is called the Queen Armadillo site. This is quite nice. With the sounds of chickens in the background outside, I can hear. I am set up, got my stuff brought up here. There's not much to set up on this. I still brought my sleeping bag. That's the way I am. I use the pillows, but I like my sleeping bag. Just a quick tour around of this place while it's light out. This should look really nice in evening with these ambient lights hanging up here. Wooden dominoes, a record player. Oh my gosh. Oh, we'll play this later. Well, you won't hear it because of copyrights, but what else? Iron Butterfly in Alabama. Oh boy. And 25 beloved melodies. So, I do have music to listen to tonight. Books. Heat's really nice in here. I'm actually gonna turn this down. It's I'm a little warm in here, but got a private changing place. A meditation gong. Another heater, a fan, a nice little kind of bar area, microwave, mirror, table. That's about it. And that's more than you need, really. That's where I'll be, I got a little bit of firewood. I'll be cooking dinner down there later. So there's one other yurt over there. You can see there's also like a couple other shacks. I don't think anybody's in that one. There are people at that yurt, and there might be one up there at that one too. Looked kind of fancy. This is wonderful. I got about 2 hours of daylight, so I'm gonna go walk around. Oh, jeez. I'm sure this guy wants treats, but I don't have any right now. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Hello, little friend. Hi. This little guy just walked up to me. Look, he is so furry and soft. I'm sure they're all wanting food. I'll bring some a little bit later. I got treats. Yeah, they want treats, just like my dog. Hi. Alright, that's a little bit. Oh, he's gonna follow me around, I guess. Hi. I'm being followed. Being followed by a horse. Pony. I have made a commotion. They're pretending to eat, but they're sneaking up behind me. I found the SS Minnow. Skipper! What we got over here? We've got Screaming Birds and Mario Land over here. Mushrooms! Just over here you could, they got a huge fire pit here. In the distance over there, that's my yurt up on the hill. Oh, there goes a jackrabbit. Could have made a pizza in here. Path to this little oasis back here in the woods. Look at that, got a chandelier. Pink flamingos. Dinner table. I don't think I'll be eating out here tonight though. A nice couch. It's a nice little stage over here. Could have a concert or pep rally. I don't know what you do. Look out there and be very inspired, I would think. And this is something I will not be doing. It might not be working right now because of the cold temperatures, but they have an outdoor shower here. Look at this. That is pretty cool. Outdoor shower, I love it. If only it was warmer. I'm at the top of the property, kind of in the back corner. You can see it's not my yurt in the back, that's the other one. It's kind of overlooking everything, and look at this, just beautiful farmland. This would be absolutely gorgeous, I bet, in the summer. Look at this little one coming up to say hi to me. Look at those horns on this thing. Oh. 2 horns. Oh my goodness. Hello. How are you? Hey. He wagged his tail. Hello. Hello. Staying warm. Let me get you over here. There's a good shot. Get a good shot. There you go. Thank you so much. Yeah, I hear you, buddy. They have all sorts. Oh, there's horses. There's all sorts of animals. There's even deer. Yep, I did it. Oh, there's the full-size horses. Looks like a tall version of my dog. Look at these guys. Do they spit? No, that's a camel spit. Llamas don't spit, right? I hope. Hi guys. Ladies, I don't know. They think I've got food, probably. I don't. Hello. All right, it's time to go feed the animals before dinner. Almost like a real farmer. Not really, but almost. How do they know? Good Lord. Oh, you're all so cute. Who do I feed first? Look at that little duck. Look at that little duck. I love it. Let me get this little guy. I'm trying to get the duck, and you're in the way. Horse, pig, goat. Okay. Oh. Oh, hello. Get him. Okay, I don't know who I said and who I didn't. I'm moving on to the other goats. Hey guys, how's it going? What? That's a unique sound. Here, have a carrot. Take your time. Jeez. Right down here. Oh, I'm sorry. There you go. You want an apple? No? Wow. He turned his nose at an apple. Want an apple? Oh, you had one. Okay. Alright. This is a Goliath horse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Don't bite my hand off. An apple? There you go. I remember you. I remember you. Oh. There you go. Oh. First thing. Oh, sure you do. Oh my goodness. Can I pet you? Look at this thing. You are a huge horse. Look at you. There you go. Let's get one more. Oh. Oh. Hello. You want one more? Then I go find your other buddies. Where's the other two small ones? There you go. There you go. Yeah. Hi. Oh my gosh. There's oh my gosh. Hello. Oh. Easy. Okay, you can have this one. I got surrounded by horses. Well, that's all I got, guys. You'll have to press there for the llamas and the goats. I'm so sorry. They're following me again. Oh no. I thought my dog was pushy. I don't have anything else, buddy. This horse is really okay. I have nothing else. No, no. There you go. That's it. No more. Thank you. Hi, I'm all out. I'm sorry. Alright, I found the pig. I found the pig. Oh my goodness, you are a mess. Oh my goodness, you are a mess. Oh, buddy. Oh, hello. Hello. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Hi, I got no food for you though. So for dinner tonight, I'm gonna have grilled duck with goat cheese, and no, that would seem so wrong. And yes, I just did see a pig. I just have a little bit of Italian sausage that I got that I'm gonna fry up in the skillet here. Got the grill going outside, so I'm just gonna fry this up, cook it up, and then I'm gonna try something actually I've never tried before, but I saw part of a YouTube video. So this may or may not work, but I'm gonna try one of these. It's a one pot dinner where you just kind of put everything in together, and we'll see how it works. By the way, I never thought I'd use this in my life, but they have one here, and the lights in the yurts. When the sun goes down, there's not a lot of light in here, so for the first time ever, I'm using one of these things to light my video. Yeah, very professional now. Not mine, I don't own it. It was just here. Okay. Not much daylight left here. So I got the coals going, and I'm just gonna set this. I hope that works. To heat that up. That's gonna be a good start. I'll keep an eye on this. The only animals really roaming that could get over here, I think, would be the horses. So according to what I saw, I'm gonna add in, I got onions that I chopped up, some mushrooms, a few chunks of broccoli. So I got some veggies there. Mix that up. And then gonna add in some noodles. It's got some regular spaghetti noodles. Just gonna put those on there. And then got some vegetable stock here that I'm gonna just put right over the top here. Homegrown Kolsch style honey Kolsch. There's a farm on here and everything, made from Confluence in Iowa. So keeping the theme here tonight. All right, this actually seemed to work out pretty good. I didn't add any more broth. I just put a little more water in. Kind of help get the noodles where they needed to be. So I'm gonna just finish it with a little cream. And my gosh, this is gonna be way more food probably than I can handle. Some Italian seasoning, and I'm gonna call this done. Some Parmesan cheese would have been really good on this too. But take a little bite here. It's quite good. A lot of flavors. That vegetable stock and the meat. Not a lot of meat, just a little bit. And the veggies. Time to eat, time to have a fire, and then it's gonna be time to relax. It's a little like camping with Donald Duck, I guess, out here. It's actually quite peaceful out here, other than the farm animals. So the fire's going quite nice. It's, I think, in the low 30s. The wind has died down a bit, but I'm kind of blocked from the wind too. All the animals, which are over there, seem to have quieted down now. So just a quick look inside at night in the yurt. And this is just a beautiful ambiance in here with these lights and stuff like that. There is a TV, maybe I showed that before. I'm not even gonna turn it on. I probably won't even turn it on. I'm just having a good time not having TV. I've been listening to records. I found an ELO album in these bin of records, which I'm gonna listen to and then maybe head off for the night. But my gosh, this is just gorgeous in here. I'm sure I could see stars when I turned off the lights, maybe not. Doesn't matter. This is a very special find. And very, very, very pleased I found this. So with that, that's probably it for tonight. I'll see you in the morning. Well, I can hear the roosters crowing, so it must be time to get up. Slept really well last night in here. Past sunrise. Time for coffee. I'm almost packed up here. I was gonna head out in a moment, but I saw another trail behind my yurt. I thought I'd just go kind of check this out and see if it leads anywhere up the hill here. Yeah. Nice view up here up on the hill. Iowa in January. Bit brisk up here. This is what's cool. Wasn't much wind down at the Yurt, but up on the hill there is. There, down in the distance, there's my Yurt and the rest of the farm. Overlooking everything here. Can't think of a better way to spend a Sunday morning. So I'm going to say goodbye to a couple of the animals, and it'll be time for me to head out. Hello, my little friend. Yeah, hello. Oh, don't eat my finger. I'll see you later, okay? Uh-oh, all your friends are coming. Hello. Hi. I don't have food today, sorry, buddies. This is just a massive horse. My goodness. What a beast. Hey, my original little friend too. How you doing? Yeah. All right. Nice meeting y'all. Time to head out. Just one last thing. That is if I'm going to be able to actually get out of here, because this is all mud up a hill here. I got down it and slid it just fine coming in. But up, it's not a huge hill, but I do not have four-wheel drive in this thing, so we're going to see if I can make it up the hill. I'm driving up that hill, and I'm driving up this hill, and I'm not getting up this hill. Hey, I made it. Jeez. This guy is seeing me off. So long, buddy. Well, that's all from the middle of Iowa. There's a giant bald eagle. Look at him. I hope that got picked up by the camera. He just took off. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, please. I may seem like a grown child sometimes with small animals, but it's just so wonderful. I can't help it. Time to head back to the land of the ice and snow, hours north of here. Thanks again for watching.